Welcome to Sprit Shack. Yeah, I'm just going to show you our external speaker for use with the Sprit box. So yeah, it comes in a box. Well actually, it does come sealed, but I've obviously opened one just to show you. That also comes in a box, and it comes with USB charge cable, as it's got a built-in battery. So you just charge it up via USB. And then it's got, as an input, 3.5mm audio jack, which you can either use with a Sprit box. You can use it as a speaker for your EVP recorder to make that louder, and you can also use it with your phone if you're going to use ghost hunting apps and things. We really recommend them for the P-SB7 and the P-SB7T because the speakers on the Sprit boxes are so quiet you can barely hear it, and this is quite deafening. Say it's quite small, it really is loud and it's clear as well. So I've actually got a Sprit box running. You don't actually need it for the S-box because that's got a loudspeaker anyway, but just to show you how loud it is and the quality of it. Right, let's turn it on. So you get a little green light to tell you it's on, and then the volume's currently set down on this, so I'm going to start turning it up. That's only up part way, and very clear and more than loud enough. Let's put it on max, just to show you. Yeah, that is really loud. Yeah, it hurts your ears on full, so yeah, high quality and more than loud enough. So I'll leave a link to this product in this video description, and thanks for watching.